Watch out, you'll be very close to my car.
Alright, we are going to test out the parallel park in this video here, and we are going to do this in real time with cars behind me, and there we go. So FSD figured out there's a spot right there. It's right in front of the building I need to go to, and here we go. Parallel park in real time with cars coming all around me right here in Arlington. And it's getting really close to the car behind, but it knows the space that it has to work with. And if you have trouble with parallel parking, you can see how it could do it for you in this situation. And wow, it got really close to the car in front of me. And boom, just like that, it figured it out. It took the right movements, and now it's adjusting itself using the camera system. Auto park complete, just like that. What do you think? That was pretty awesome, right? Nice. I mean, it's not that I couldn't do that myself, but at the same time, that was really cool. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and let me know what your thoughts below in the comments, and subscribe for more. Thanks again. Have a great day.